What is good, family? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's vlog, man. I think it's gonna be a quick one. I always say that, but then it ends up being super long. I just feel like it's been ages since I've had this kind of one-to-one time with you. It's been about a month and a bit since our opening party, our launch of Fly City, of course, and it's been absolutely insane. Like, we've just had so many people come check us out. We've had classes, we've had one-to-ones, we've had people come and do some shopping. Today's video is really just about unveiling kind of the last bits and pieces of the Nova rope. It's going to be the black handles that I'm showing you today and all the colorways, and it's just about, yeah, gearing you guys up for the 24th of March, which is when it goes live. I want you guys to be fully set when this goes live. I know a lot of you have been asking and been waiting so patiently for this, man. This has been a year in the making, guys. It's actually insane to think about it, like how long it's taken to make this rope. But once it joins all our other iconic lines, okay, this, to be fair, this might be my most favorite and best ever rope I've ever created. I'm gonna say it right now, I think it really is, because of the work that's gone in and what we put into it, and all the concepts around it. Like, it's just the finished product. If I could just explain it to you and make you feel it across this screen, it doesn't make sense. The plan of action today, guys, is I'm gonna be doing some orders, getting the vinyl out. Basically, the team who do it on a daily basis, they are not here, they're on holiday. So your boy is putting that love back into it, putting that love back into the grind. And to be honest with you, man, I've missed it. Like, I love seeing the orders, I love seeing the countries, I love seeing the names. And yeah, we're just kind of gonna flow through this video. I don't know where it's going before we get to Nova bit. But if you're only interested in Nova stuff, then click this timestamp. That'll take you right to the point of this video. Otherwise, man, just sit back, relax. Yeah, man, and I'm gonna take you around for the day. Right, so I've got some hours to get this done before the collections come. Interesting story about this iMac, right? I bought this in 2017. It was the first real computer I've had to ever edit my videos. This thing is, I was gonna say, it's still going strong. It's not really, man, it's dying on us. But now it's just here to kind of print labels. But it's an iconic little piece of tech right here. My setup is as follows, man. We have this printer here, right? This GK4 something, 420D. This one is for our UK shipments, really, some international. Then we have this generic kind of printer here. This is for our DHL DPDs. We do this on this kind of piece of paper because they require like bigger barcodes and all this kind of shit. This screen, like, incidentally, used to be a TV of ours. I brought it here because I think I'm gonna put our CCTV monitoring system on here, so when you're doing your orders, you can make sure you know what's going on around you. Business intel for anyone interested, right? The Money Rope Performance, guys, is our #1 and best-selling rope of all time. These have been absolutely flying. We've also got the special edition version, of course, as well. Yeah, man, this bad boy has just been smashing it. So we had to, yeah, restock it all. So these boxes right here are all the new sort of batches. We're also going to be sending them to Amazon fulfillment centers as well. So a lot of this is going to go or stay here. And then I'm making space. I reckon Nova is going to take this space up right here, simply because we just, oh, nearly tripped up. Simply because we are just running low on space. Everything is kind of stocked up. You know, I love these kind of videos. I honestly do, man. I don't make them enough. I don't know what it is. I love doing tutorials. I love making videos, of course. But this allows me to really express, like, kind of what's on my mind. And it's been so long since I've had this time with you, since the opening. Like, it's just changed so much. Life has changed so much. Like, loads of things behind the scenes have changed. Now this brand just feels different in the sense of, like, it's just a new level, right? Like, the operational side is insane. The upstairs floor, the production, everything else. But it's just, life is just so much more busier. Like, I just feel like, although I want to expand the team, I want to do so many things with it, bring more people in to help, like, it still has that personal brand feel where I can't let go of so many different things. It's something that I need to change, something that I need to really work on. We've taken on like double the amount of work somehow just by moving in this place. It just feels like a really proper brand outfit without the big team behind it. I think where I'm going with this is kind of like when you guys or anyone else or someone wants to get into something for themselves or want to have something personal for themselves, you realize it's like a baby. It's so difficult to just pass around, share around, give around, let anyone into the lives of this baby, because you want to make sure that everyone who's involved takes care of it. So it's kind of like the next moves, I just feel are super important and super key to maintain that culture that's already kind of been our foundation and been our kind of golden gem. I don't know where I'm going with this now. Little snack here, peeps. Got myself a wrap from Pepe's, man. Extra hot chicken. Should keep me going for a few hours. And the first thing we're going to work on is our European orders, right? So all these need to go out via DPD. And anyone else internationally, we've just worked on a really cool deal with DHL. So we're going to get even cheaper, more cost-effective shipping for you guys. Just look out for DHL priority on the checkout. That back there, like those orders coming in, like people showing support, like it will never get boring and it will never feel normal, if that kind of makes sense. Like I never forget those original feels when, you know, getting your first order or getting 2 orders a day or 3 orders a day was like the most exciting feeling. Now we get, you know, a little bit more than that, but like I just would never take it for granted. I'm usually kind of like R&B, hip hop, old school, but this for background stuff is immense, man. If you guys need some background music, go check out this kind of stuff, man. Lounge covers, sick. Shout out to Chris if you're watching from Germany, sick. Just ordered some ARIA apparel, man. Gotta love it. Got Denmark in the building, guys. Shout out to Husen. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I hope so. What a lineup of ropes. Best family of ropes out there in the world. One thing's for certain, guys, and I can assure you this, right? For as long as I live, anyway, all products that come out of Fly City will be always packed with love. I can guarantee you. Shout out to you, Vlado from Bulgaria. Just copped himself the RA bucket hat. Don't see many of these going out in the UK right now, man. The weather is peak. Time to get some sauce out quickly. Got a couple of bottles going out here. Got the Scotch bonnet and the bird's eye chili, man. So shout out to my boy Ranch who copped. Shout out to Mumsy, man, hooking up the fire sauce. At the moment, Mum Rush is only out to UK customers, unfortunately, because it's made fresh, no preservatives. We cannot put it on a plane and wait for it to get lost or delayed or anything like that. So hopefully one day you might see it in your country. Hoping to get into shops very, very soon here in the UK. Plans are in motion. Standard raining as always. Got a quick tip for you, man. If you enjoy your instant coffee, right, and you want to make it taste even better, right, this is a rush special. So what I do, right, is I get my coffee in the cup, get a little bit of sugar in there, and then what you do is when you pour the water in, right, the key is to pour a tiny little bit. You stir that up, right, so it gets all syrupy. Stir it well. Right. Then, this is the secret, okay? You add the water in super slowly and you gently keep stirring. Alright. Leave a bit of space for your milk, if you take milk. And yeah, give that a go. Trust me, your coffee's gonna taste even better. Unfortunately, the clean desk policy has just gone out the window. Right now, I'm sorting my life out. I've got so many hard drive issues, so many things everywhere. We're just trying to, yeah, get everything in one place. That is the plan of action for this week. So aside from all this mess here, I've got some sparks of inspiration and motivation next to me. Congratulations cards. This is for my girl Jida, one of our RA athletes out in Leicester. Also got another congratulations card. This is for my guy John. He came down, trained with me. Also got actually underneath here, golf book, golf Bible that Jida bought me as well. What else we got? We've got Nova rope handles, which we'll get into in a second. This is just, yeah, me testing things, measuring things. I've got some spray, as you do. Get stinky around here, especially when you're skipping around. Nova rope box, and yeah, recently copped some new tech as well, guys. Picked up these new DJI mics, so these are the ones I'm going to be using on my tutorial going forward. These ones are good for when you've got like a couple of people on set. And then also got myself this new A6400 Sony camera. That's for the podcast setup, and yeah, it's really important because I need 4K. Otherwise, what else? Yep, sunglasses, they're not going anywhere. Swear down, sometimes I just kind of look out on this open space here, and I'm working or editing, have a little look out here, and it makes me feel proud. Not gonna lie, man, it just gives me good vibes. Just seeing this, it's just insane. Alright, so if you made it to this point in the video, people, I just want to say thank you. Alright, this is big, alright? We're doing a special secret giveaway for the Nova rope peeps. If you made it this far in the video, only you guys will know about it. I'm not going to talk about it on the title or the thumbnail, I'm not going to mention it. It's because you guys are the real ones who have stuck around, and I don't know how long this edit is going for, but it's really quick and easy entry, okay? All you're going to do is comment down below the word Nova followed by your year of birth. So for example, if I did it, it would be Nova 85, and that is my entry, okay? I'm going to announce the winners in next week's videos, or the end of next week at least. Yeah, you'll be one of the first in the world to get this bad boy, whatever colorway you want. Nova, incidentally, if you guys want to look it up on Google, the reason why it's so powerful, and it's always resonated with me, this word. I love kind of astronomy, I love stars and all that kind of stuff, but it can either mean new, or it's kind of like a collection or brightening of stars. And I feel that when someone picks up this rope, they will feel that brightening, that strength, that light within, and yeah, external, and it just has all these kind of really cool positive feelings and meanings to me. I don't know if you guys know this, but when I do create ropes, I've already got the concept in my head somewhere along the line, way before the rope has even been sketched or designed. I just have a vibe of a rope, I have the name, I have the kind of feels of it, and then I put it on paper and we get the design down, and then it kind of fits the name, if that makes sense. So Nova just has so many cool meanings, and yeah, that collection or that togetherness of stars coming together, brightening, it just fits, man. And that's why we went for this type of box and concept. And when you see the rope itself, I'm going to show you now the black version, it just has that vibe of just the future. And that's what I kind of wanted to get from this, man. It's just when we're creating ropes out here, the reason why this could be the most interesting and maybe favorite rope of mine to date is the fact that we always try to up our game. We always try to push the boundaries, create things that haven't been seen before. And this weight class, this weight boundary, what we've done already in the speed rope market and in the heavy rope market with Legacy and Ignite and things like that, like we're trying to bring new and fresh things for as many people out there to really just extend the skipping world and just try and kind of, yeah, lead the next generation into what we've already kind of created, if that kind of makes sense, and allow them to kind of push on with it as well. I feel like what we've done in the last sort of 5 years alone not only brought more demand for people to try skipping, but we've also kind of extended our lines to a point where anyone looking to get into it, whatever style they want to use or whatever kind of tricks or anything like that, we've got them covered. And this rope right here, for me, is going to be one of my favorites already, because it's such a good all-rounder in terms of what you want to get out of a skipping rope. Personally, for me anyway, that's kind of my opinion. What you can do with this rope and what it can do to your body and everything else, I feel like it's just ticks all the boxes, you know. Honestly, like taking away kind of freestyle, you know, we've got the icon rope for freestyle, we've got the beaded rope kind of options and the money rope kind of in beaded versions, but this itself, for training, for workouts, for combinations or kind of the tricks that you see me do on this channel, this will allow you guys to do it, and it will also change your body in the process, and it will, yeah, just take you to that next level, to that new dimension, like we like to say. It's really like a kind of moment in history, because it's the first time it's going to be unveiled on camera. We're 2 weeks away from launch, so it's not ideal, but you know, you've seen the Space Gray so much now on this channel already. We're now going to unveil the Stealth Black. So here's the full color lineup, peeps, man. We've got the full black on black. This is the full Stealth Black Nova. We've got the Krypton Green, we've got the white and black, we've got the neon pink and black, we've got the lava orange, and of course the iconic yellow and black colorway. So this is how your box is going to look when you first get it. You're going to get your rope, and then also on the other side of this you got a QR code. Mark my words, guys, man, this rope is going to start a whole new weight class in the jump rope industry. I already know it, man. 7mm, 250 grams, no mechanisms. It's a speed rope, it's a heavy rope, it's a feels rope. This just feels incredible. And the people who are already trying to do 7mm ropes out there, they're not custom made handles designed to fit this rope in a way that we have made it done. And at 250 grams, it's going to sit right in between the money rope and the Legacy rope, which is absolutely ideal for whatever you are trying to do, believe me. We've of course still got the hallmark RA vinyl, best vinyl out there, softest, most responsive, and best for feedback. Like, this vinyl is untouched as well, it's unmatched. The durability of these handles, guys, is very, very tough, right? It's solid. If you treat it well, okay, you keep it in your hands, you don't skip on concrete, you skip on mats, you size it correctly, your wrist rotations are good, and you know, you store it in a good way, this thing will last you a very, very long time. As I always say, guys, man, you take care of your ropes and they'll take care of you. So I've enjoyed today's video. I hope you have as well, man. Drop it a big thumbs up and let me know if you guys want to see more of these kind of behind the scenes vlogs. I enjoy making them, so I'm just going to try and do as much as I can. But remember, get involved in the giveaway, and I cannot wait to see you March the 24th, people, man. Just note it down in your diary, please. Set those alarms. It'll mean the world to me if you come out and support this launch. There's been so much blood, sweat and tears gone into this project, and I really do believe it's going to shape the future of the jump rope industry for the better, as always. So I'm blessed to be doing what I'm doing. I'm grateful for you, I'm grateful for all your support, and know that I love you, man. From wherever you are in the world, thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
You people should be thanking Christ that I am who and what I am because you need me. You need me to save you. You do?
Yeah. Two.
Metro! I am the only one who possibly can.
Yeah. Drinking dope turned me to a superhero. Yeah. Hit that pill, turned me to a superhero. Yeah. Roll my 90s, turned me to a superhero. Yeah.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.